Loosed and oh, wow. Don't take it out. So today, Ezra and I are going to disassemble a fairly rare car. It's a 71 Plymouth Roadrunner. It's a 446 pack car. It's in pretty good condition. Even the underside of this car is real clean orange paint, no undercoating on it. So should be a pretty interesting car to dismantle. First thing we're gonna do is just pull the hood off. All right, so I guess we could go ahead and pull the trunk off while we're at it. On your side. Set your side right down here on the ground. Ooh, nice. That's pretty clean underneath, isn't it? Yeah. What we want to do is get all of our wiring and everything attached to the firewall unhooked. And we'll take all these components, including the wiper motor, off here. Excellent. Okay, that's our engine wiring harness there. Oh, we'll get to that later. Okay. We have to undo the wipers and the transmission inside, and then we'll get that motor off.
Oh.
See that little tiny clip right there?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Do you still have that pick? You're on the little tiny one?
Yeah.
Lift up and slide it sideways, possibly? Oh, that was sweet. That was sweet. I think you got it. Now you just rock the whole assembly up and down and pull it off there. Beautiful. There we go. That's the easiest one you'll ever take off. I promise. It's got antifreeze in it. So apparently this guy raced this car after his daughter got tired of driving it. Can you pop that breather off that valve cover there? Yeah, that works.
Oh, yeah.
That's okay. All right. It's not coming apart too bad at all. I mean, yeah, there's been a couple little battles, but it's coming apart pretty good. So we'll go underneath and get the front end loose. How's that for height?
There we go. Oh, sick.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
That's the color I imagined it'd be.
Rust.
Yeah.
We might have to pull the bumper.
Huh?
We may have to pull the bumper out.
Why not?
Yeah, let's do that. Let's pull the bumper out. Okay, let's try that. Pull the tires off, might make it easier to get in there.
Yep.
3/4 inch, and can you tell if the lug nuts are left-hand thread on that side? Are they marked? Okay. Okay. So this little shield here has a bunch of screws that are buried under undercoating, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think clips at the top that'll pull out. So I'll get mine loose and I'll let you do yours. Right?
Yeah.
Loose.
Yeah.
Okay. We've already taken the sides out in order to get to the bracket that held the bumper to the fender. Jiminy Christmas. How do they build these things? And now we're having trouble getting the bumper out because of the valance.
Yeah, I think it's just this bottom piece hanging it up.
So we'll need to lower it down and get those lower bolts out. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, and once that comes out, I think everything's ready to drop.
Oh. So yeah.
Let's take it outside.
Guess we don't got it.
Someday I'll figure out how to take a car apart.
There we go.
Look at that, it's got an under fender light.
Oh, dude. Is that factory? Okay. Should be good.
All right, 2 fenders.
Nice.
You notice the cutouts for the headers on the bottoms of the fenders?
Yep.
We could slap the tires back on real quick so we can roll it forward. 2 will hold it, 1 would hold it.
None will hold it if it's rusty enough. Do these both go back or one go forward? Forward? Okay. Oh, dude, nice tires.
Okay, so we have a door cart here.
Yep.
Takes a load off our backs. So we're gonna wheel this under the door. Okay. You got it set?
Yep.
There it is.
And there we go.
Beautiful. There we go. Get it out of here. Get it out of here. All right, so we have some additional parts in this car. Heavy parts. He left us a flywheel
Nice.
and a clutch.
Oh, that's cool. Has the firing order right on the intake manifold.
Yeah. 18436572.
184365. Yep. How'd you know that?
Goodness.
Nice.
They glued that in really good, huh? All right, so we can start working the interior out, and then we're gonna have to cut the windshield out. So we're gonna need a bunch of Phillips screwdrivers.
There's one.
Excellent.
You sprayed these, right, Doug?
I don't know.
You
I
don't know. There's one more, man. Chill out.
One more to go?
Yeah. Is that good?
Beautiful. Sweet. You did it. Here's another one for you. Is there any tag under that seat?
No, but there was a tag in there.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I think it was on this driver front seat, but might have fell off.
Okay. Loosed and oh, wow.
Nice and light.
We got a broadcast sheet. We got a broadcast sheet. Oh, first one. Don't take it out. Just leave it. All right. So here's the driver's side. A little crusty, huh?
Sick, dude. Damn, those ones are on pretty hard.
Yes, they are. These things hang on good,
Oh,
don't they?
there we go. Got it.
Okay. What do you do with two of these?
There you go.
Nice. 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 Okay. All right. Moving right along. Check out those parts. Nice.
Dead bee assembly.
Dead bee assembly.
There's even more.
Make sure you get all of them.
Nah, I'll just leave their dead corpses.
No bees left behind. Dead corpses in the graveyard. Okay, so we've got the rest of the car pretty much dismantled inside the interior, and everything is loose on the top of the engine. So now we're going to put it back up on the hoist and get ready to drop out the engine and the rear end. So wish us luck.
Nice. You're gonna have great steering with that.
A little bit further back.
Might be good, bro.
Okay, go ahead and raise it up, Ezra.
Okay. A little bit more. There, right there.
Oh.
So Ezra, you heard any good jokes lately?
No, not really.
Why do chicken coops have two doors?
I don't know. Why do they?
Because if they had four doors, they'd be a sedan.
You're horrible.
I don't know. Sweet.
Is this garbage too?
Yeah. Oh, what's he doing? Hi, Cousin Mark. Hey, you want to hear a funny joke? Yeah, I got a funny joke. Two fish were in a tank. And one said to the other, do you know how to drive this thing? It was a Panzer. I don't think he liked our joke at all. I can't top Mark at all on jokes, can I?
Not with dad ones. Damn, throwing sparks.
What is the deal?
Hydro locked.
Hydro locked.
I don't know. Screwdriver is always the answer.
Ready? Okay. What was that? Rust falling off?
It's not moving anymore. I think it's getting stuck somewhere in here.
So we had a little trouble with the driver's side torsion bar on this car, and I'm tired of fighting it. So we're going to take a different approach now. What we're going to do now is loosen up the K-member bolts, and we're going to pull the K-member off the torsion bar and leave the torsion bar in the car and deal with it later. Here we go. This car's been a battle.
Yep. Wow, that one came out really easy.
Great.
Oh, so did that one.
Okay, that's good.
We're good. Good to go. Is there a hose? Okay.
That was a battle, but we finally won, right?
Yep.
Victory? We beat a Mopar. Yes.
Got it.
Hi, I'm Cousin Dougie. I'm here to tell you to like and leave a comment. Like and leave a comment. Also subscribe. and subscribe to our channel for more videos and full episodes of Graveyard Carz. Did I do it? Oh God.